Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the cube. This cube is very similar to the Ivy cube, but there's just an extra step involved because the Ivy cube and these two corners are like merged, but in this cube these are not. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, that's right there. Also hit the like button if you like my video, and if you want to be notified of when I upload my daily videos, then click the notification bell, which is right next to the subscribe button, but it only appears after you've subscribed, so make sure to subscribe. So let's get started. So this is the cube, and S-K-W-E-B, not cube, like C-U-W-B. I mean, it's a cube, okay? So basically it turns with the corners. So if you imagine a corner pointing at you, then you can just turn it. Or you just kind of have to get familiar with the turning. But there will only be kind of one main algorithm to solve this. So it's very easy. So it's just a tiny bit harder than the Ivy cube, which I've previously done, but it's not that hard. So I'm going to scramble this and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so to start, you want to have the white face facing you, so the white center facing you, and then what you want to do is you want to get the corners. So it's just very intuition. It depends on different cubes, so I'm not really going to explain this part. But what I am going to say is that you need to have these two colors matching. So on the same face, two of the colors should be the same. For example, it shouldn't be, wait, let me just get to the example. It shouldn't be like, wait, sorry. So it shouldn't be like these two are mismatching colors, these two are mismatching, these two are mismatching, these two are mismatching. They should always be kind of the same. So like this, like that. So I'm going to also show you how to rotate this piece. So basically you want to hold it so that the piece you want to rotate is is over there. And then you want to bring this down and kind of turn this front face. This is not really an algorithm. Move this up and then make sure to move that front face back up. You might have to do that turning algorithm one more time. Depends how much this was turned. So now what we have to do is we've solved the white face, making sure these two are the same color. And then what we want to do is we want to look at the bottom face. And we want to note down the color, well, not note down, but just remember the color on the bottom. It's green. So we need to find the green side, which is right here. And we need to make the center go to the green up there. And to do that, I'm going to show you the only algorithm you'll need for this to solve this entire cube. So basically you want to have the center, which you want to place down at the bottom, and then you want where the center to go, like that face, you want it facing you. So then you want to do right side, so this, hold it on the bottom right corner, and then do, so bottom right side up, bottom left side up, bottom right side down, bottom left side down, so yeah. And then once again, we want to look at the bottom face, and it's yellow. So that actually stays in the bottom. So once there's yellow whenever there's yellow on the bottom, you want to look at the centers of the cube and see if they are solved. They are clearly not solved, so I'm just going to keep going. So we just want to move this yellow into an unsolved spot. So I'm just going to move it into this one with using the same algorithm. So bottom right hand side up, bottom left up, bottom right down, bottom left down. Okay, so now this orange needs to go there. So I'm just going to do this quickly. One way you can remember it is up, up, down, down. And you basically have to keep kind of doing that until there's a yellow on the bottom, and then you want to look. And this time they're all solved. So now we can move on to the next step, which is solving the yellow side. So you want to turn the cube upside down so that the yellow is facing the top. Then what you want to do is you want to find a pattern in these. So one of the pattern is where there's headlights and there's tail lights. So what that means is, like, these two yellow corners are facing towards you. Well, by now your cube might have been solved. So this is one of 3 cases, I'm pretty sure. The first case is it's all solved. You need to do nothing about that. You can just finish, yeah. The second case is this one, so the headlights case, I'm just gonna call it. The third case you can get is 2 of them are turned up, but one of these is facing you and the other one's facing kind of like this. So these 2 will be turned up. I'm going to show you how to solve this case now. So you want the headlights kind of to face your left-hand side, and then you want to do the same algorithm that you did, but instead of holding the bottom ones, hold the top ones. So that's going to be up. Sorry, no. Let me say that. Let me rephrase that. So you want to make it go down, down, up, instead of up, down, down. And you want to hold the top ones. So, and you need to do that algorithm twice. So down, down, up, down, down, up. And your cube will be solved. Actually, I just realized you can't get that third case where I told you about. I just thought you could get it because in other cubes it's kind of similar. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button, both of which are right down there. And also hit the notification bell. Oh, you can only hit the notification bell after you've subscribed. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of when I upload my videos. And yeah, goodbye. See you in my next video.